Hi, this is Dennis with Hall Pantry. When you want microwave popcorn, these things can cost anywhere from $2.50 to $4. Save yourself money. Buy it in one of these and put it in one of these. Okay, we're going to take a quarter cup. Just a quarter cup is all you need. We're going to put it in this and just roll the top a couple of times, and then we're going to put it in that microwave. That's 600 watts. A little under 3 minutes, and it'll be done just like the store-bought bag stuff. Now, if you have a microwave that is, say, 1,000 or 1,100 watts, you might want to reduce your time. But otherwise, it comes out just the same. Okay. Quarter cup is all you need. Remember that. It's popping. Popping now. Just like the store-bought stuff. You just wait until it reduces its popping. And like I said, just under 3 minutes. This is about 2 minutes 50 seconds for this batch. And it'll come out just the same as the other stuff. Now look at this. Right out of the bag. Look at that. Now, if you start to smell it burning, it's a little bit too long. Adjust. It's just popcorn. You have a bag full. Adjust. Learn the time. Learn the amount. Quarter cup is all you need. A third of a cup, that little bag is going to be very full and it's going to want to bust out. So quarter cup is all you need, and adjust for timing. But once you have the time down, you're set.